Breathing is the most natural and important thing we do. And every day, almost 3,000 gallons of air fill our lungs. Air is everywhere, where we live, where we work, where we sleep. But do you really know what's in the air you breathe? You might think that pollution is only outside, but it's the complete opposite. Many studies have proved that indoor air is up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air.
This is why we created Clairy. Clairy is the most amazing natural air purifier, powered by real plants, that helps people in reducing indoor air pollution, and it will be the best design object you will ever have. On the market right now, there are only traditional electronic air purifiers, made in plastic, very ugly, big and bulky, and that only work thanks to filters. This is why we thought about something revolutionary, and we created the perfect synergy between nature, technology and design. So how does Clairy work? We designed a smart flower pot that amplifies the natural properties of plants. Our idea started from a research of NASA that found out that some plants have got the ability to eliminate toxic agents. The problem is that a single plant isn't that effective, so we created a technology unit that allows more airflow through the soil and the roots. This is where the filtration happens. We use plants as biofilters. Roots and soil generate colonies of microorganisms that trap and filter the toxic agents in the air in a natural way. Clairy, in fact, filters 93% of toxic agents immediately. It's very silent and has a very low energy consumption, less than 50% of a LED bulb. You can manage it with your smartphone, and the best thing is that there are no filters, so you don't have to change them and waste money. What happens inside is not magic, but a scientific fact, and we proved it. We did many researches and proved the effectiveness of Clairy at LIMB, one of the most important research labs on plants in Europe, and Pinat, a spin-off of the University of Florence, based in Italy. Clairy is also proudly an Italian design product. We worked hard for a year to design it in every detail. We developed multiple sketches and prototypes to make the design perfect. We presented it at CES 2016 and had great success. We have a super team with 2 brilliant industrial designers and a great advisor team that helps us. Italy has a long tradition of craftsmen, especially in the ceramic field. This Italian culture is an inspiration for us. We use the ceramic first for the aesthetical quality, but mostly because it's eco-friendly and it doesn't release any toxic agents in the air. Obviously, we also work really hard on the technology part of our product. We came to the Silicon Valley to make something really powerful. We've developed our technology working close with engineers and manufacturers in the Silicon Valley to improve the functionalities of Clairy. Thanks to our technology unit and our smartphone app with health and air quality sensors, Clairy is able to track the toxic agents in the air and give you real-time pollution analytics of it, and also temperature and humidity monitor. Clairy lives with you. Tell him what's wrong, maybe allergies, sleep problems, productivity, asthma. It learns about you and cares about you. It works with Wi-Fi, so wherever you are, Clairy can give you healthy tips on how to feel better and tell you if something is going wrong. Please back our product. The quality of our air is influenced by the places we live in. Breathing healthy air and staying in contact with nature makes us feel better, happier, more productive, and live better. But unfortunately, we spend almost 90% of our time indoors, and even if we don't realize it, indoor air can be really polluted. The World Health Organization has in fact stated that indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. But how can we improve the quality of the air and live better? With NATEDE, Clairy's new product. It's been created to bring healthy fresh air and be the most beautiful design object you will ever have. On the market right now, there are only ugly and traditional air purifiers that work with expensive filters that have to be replaced often. So the intuition was to use nature. Some plants, in fact, have a special ability to eliminate the most common toxic agents in the air, thanks to microorganisms that live in their roots. NATEDE, thanks to a technology unit, amplifies these properties. We created the most amazing natural air purifier on the market. And thanks to your support, it was an incredible success. More than 2,000 bakers from over 52 countries in the world believed in us and are now loving the product. We won several awards, and most of all, our team grew from only 3 of us to almost 20 people. So we really grew up, and also Clairy grew up. And here we are, ready to launch the new Clairy. Let's start with design. NATEDE is extremely up-to-date, elegant and beautiful. Obviously, we made it eco-friendly and recyclable with an astonishing new biomaterial. R&D goes on. We are working with the best laboratories and universities in Europe. We also added a new incredible filtration process, photocatalysis. NATEDE is now able to eliminate VOCs, bacteria, virus, fine particulate and odors. And remember, there are no filters to change, and it's the only product that creates fresh new air. It's faster. We worked a lot with fluid dynamics experts, and this improved the purification performance range a lot. And also the capacity of the self-watering system has increased. NATEDE's technology unit is now more powerful and silent. We also redesigned and added more sensors. You will have the best ones to measure your air quality. And now, with the new LED interface, you just have to take a look at NATEDE to know about the air quality in your space. The app is great. Check the air quality in real time or the analytics, and much more. Thanks to Wi-Fi and now also Bluetooth, NATEDE can be connected to really everything. It will be always with you and monitor the situation for you. What hasn't changed? The importance of plants and nature, of course, and our mission to find new solutions to bring fresh air, technology, and beautiful design for you. So come with us in this journey. We need your help. Please support us and back our project on Kickstarter. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Per. I'm CEO and co-founder of AIRY. AIRY?
AIRY is your personal rainforest. Air pollution in the past. Allergies, asthma, headache. No more. You're living in a rainforest? Okay, then you know what it's like to breathe clean, fresh air. But what about your personal workspace? Your indoor air is actually up to 8 times more polluted than the air you find in a busy street. That is a huge problem. But don't worry, we can fix it. I know what you're thinking. What about those flowers?
Well, these ordinary plants help to keep you alive. You wouldn't be able to live on this planet without them.
They've been around for millions of years before you, and they are still fighting the bad guys like volatile organic compounds by turning them into useful nutrients without any residue. It's all about filtering and recycling. You think you need a filter and a power plug to fight off one of the biggest threats to mankind? You feel the need to torture your environment with air fresheners? Air pollution can cause serious illness. AIRY is a one and only plant pot that ventilates the root system in a highly effective and natural way. The results are simply amazing. This has been certified by several leading institutes. You're not sure how to handle a plant? No worries. We have found some really nice guys for you and a water tank with a really cute water level indicator. Believe me, that's your personal guarantee for success. So what are you waiting for? The world is repotting. What about you?
And there in the rose garden lay the beast. He looked as if he was dying. "Don't die, beast," she cried. "I love you. I will marry you."
This is the EcoQube Air. The EcoQube Air is a desktop hydroponics greenhouse designed to improve your quality of life. It adds healthy air, smart light therapy, thriving greenery, and beauty to any space. Most houseplants don't thrive indoors. The EcoQube Air is the best solution for indoor gardening because it provides the perfect environment for plants to grow. The plants thrive by absorbing only as much nutrients and water as they need, with ebb and flow hydroponic technology, and uses 90% less water. The beautiful integrated LED lighting system provides the perfect spectrum of colors to support optimal plant health. the covered greenhouse maintains humidity and warmth for abundant greenery. We use a NASA-inspired plant medium to maximize root growth without messy soil, and a drain spout for easy water change. 2 integrated fans circulate air and feed CO2 to the plants, enhancing thigmomorphogenesis for super healthy stems and improved air quality. The air you breathe may be filled with mold, chemicals, and dangerous toxins. Our airflow system utilizes a 3-step filtration process. First, the air enters through a HEPA-like mechanical filter that removes dust, pollen, and mold. Next, the activated carbon filter removes harmful chemicals. Finally, the plant filters and oxygenates the air before being circulated back into your room. It also includes a humidifier. The smart LED light also simulates the cycle of the sun. Sunlight dictates your circadian rhythm, which tells you when to sleep and when to be awake. With increased exposure to computer, tablet, and phone screens today, our circadian rhythms have been completely thrown off. You can use the EcoQube Air to influence your own biological clock with the phone app. This helps you wake up feeling refreshed, alleviates insomnia, improves productivity, helps overcome jet lag, and helps prevent seasonal depression. The EcoQube Air combines form with function. The cost of individual products adds up in money, space, and time. One EcoQube Air solves all these needs at a fraction of the cost. ADI's mission is to improve people's lives by designing the most beautiful, low-maintenance desktop ecosystems ever. Back this project now and get yours today at a discount. Share with friends and family. This is the future, a living space that works for you. Let's bring nature back into our lives and blur the lines between outdoors and indoors. EcoQube Air. Transform your living space.
Hey guys, I'm Kevin. With EcoQube C, we brought living decor to homes all over the world. Now we're taking it one step further and making that decor work for you. Our backers made the EcoQube happen and continue to drive our innovation for a more beautiful, better, healthier world. Thank you all for the support. Transform your living space with the EcoQube. Thank you.
Hi, we've just received our Ambienta grow lamp from Sagegreenlife, and we're going to do a quick unbox of it. So there's an open tab right here. Open it up. There's the lamp. Pull it out. We have a plug back there. Pull the plastic covering off of it, and what it looks like we have is 3 basic components. We've got the lamp, we've got an adapter, and we have the user manual. So the adapter plugs in just like this, pretty simple. And we'll go into the user manual. Okay, so why don't we dig into the user manual that came with the lamp. So we open it up right to the front. There's 4 easy steps to using the lamp. Number 1 is unpack, and we've completed that. Number 2 is to insert your plants into the lamp. So the lamp does not come with plants, so we've went ahead on the Sagegreenlife's website and ordered a pallet of succulent plants. The succulents, 6 plants come with that order of the pallet, and there's 6 holes in the lamp. So 1 pallet will fill your entire lamp. So why don't we go ahead and open these up and take a look at what soil-free means. So the plants look very healthy actually, and they're a nice size. So this is a flexi plug. It's spongy to the touch, there's no mess. It's actually a little bit moist, so the plants have been watered before they were shipped to us. And it says to just insert them into these 2-inch holes, so we'll go ahead and do that. They fit perfectly in there, so pretty simple. We've got a couple different varieties of succulents here. They all look beautiful. Okay, so there's the first 3. And then we've got the second 3 to complete the lamp. Nice variety of different types of succulents. And they literally slide right in there. So, very simple. Okay. Okay, so going back to the user manual, we're on step 3. It says pour water down the central column. So it appears we have an opening right here at the top of the lamp. I've got a pitcher of water here, and I'll pour some water down the center. Now in the user manual, it suggests that you use 3 bottles of water for your initial watering, and then it points you to the website for future watering instructions depending on the plants that you have. We won't do quite that much because we're just showing the functionality here, but the water pours down. It's very simple. Another thing that they suggest is that you just touch the grow pods in your plants, and you can tell because they're like sponges whether or not they've been saturated or not. So that's a very easy way for you to tell if you need to water again. So going back to the user manual, we're now on step 4, which is to set the grow light according to the needs of your plant selection. A little bit later in the booklet, they have some instructions on how to use the grow light and the ambient light. So it appears that there are 2 light settings here, and you control those light settings by using this little control box. The top light setting controls the ambient light, and the bottom light setting controls the grow light. And it appears that there are 3 different settings for the grow light, and that's time for the light, and that depends on what your plant's light needs are. And they recommend that you go to their website to take a look at the specific setting for your plants. So all pretty simple. Now I'm going to, just so you can get an idea of what the lights look like, we're going to dim the lights real quick in here and show you the ambient light and the grow light. So we went ahead and dimmed the lights in here so we can get a better idea of what the ambient light effect and grow light effect are on the lamp. So you control the different settings from this control box right here, as you can see. Okay, so the top one is the ambient light. It actually gives a nice soft warm glow and the plants look beautiful. And in the bottom we've got the grow light function, and this provides all the nutrients to the plants. Now if we take a closer look at the grow light function, you can see that a green LED lights up for the setting that you're on, and you've got 3 different settings. Okay, the intensity of the lamp doesn't change, but each one of those settings gives a different duration for the light for the different plant palettes, so you can ensure that your plants are getting enough light to survive. And that's Ambienta.